Well, tonight, a lawsuit stemming from the deaths of two Broward teens in a Tesla has been resolved. It involved a horrific crash in 2018 in Fort Lauderdale. CBS News Miami's Joan Murray is your reporter in Fort Lauderdale this evening. And Joan, you were inside the courtroom, so break down for us exactly what happened in this case.
Well, Jim, it was rather unexpected, this turn of events. Just after lunch, it appeared that the family of the driver of the car in this crash decided they didn't want to go any further in this civil case. Tesla apparently made that same decision a few days ago.
Sometimes cases don't get resolved until the middle of trial.
In this case, the trial is over before it really began. The parents of 18-year-old Edgar Montserrat Martinez, who was killed in a fiery Tesla crash almost 8 years ago, suddenly resolved their civil lawsuit.
You never saw them without each other.
Barrett Riley and Edgar Montserrat Martinez, best friends, were killed just weeks before graduating high school in 2018. Investigators say the driver, Barrett Riley, was speeding 116 miles an hour in a Tesla Model S when he slammed into a concrete wall on A1A and the car burst into flames. A classmate was ejected but survived.
Bystanders went toward the car hoping they could get somebody out, but it was hopeless. They couldn't get within 10 feet of the car.
The plaintiff alleges that Barrett Riley was negligent.
Montserrat Martinez's family also claimed Tesla's battery was faulty and that a technician had removed a speed limiter during servicing. But Tesla, we learned, resolved their part of this suit late last week.
Do you have anything you'd like to say, Mr. Riley?
Leaving court, James Riley, the father of the driver, had nothing to say about resolving his end of the lawsuit. And Edgar Montserrat Martinez's parents declined to comment as well. Their legal battle over, but the loss of their son never resolved.
And we do not know the terms of this resolution, what Tesla has agreed to or the family of the driver has agreed to. Tesla has always maintained there is nothing wrong with their batteries. Also, in another recent lawsuit in this case brought by the family of the driver, a jury determined that Tesla had to pay $10 million in a negligence lawsuit. However, they did find that Tesla was only 1% negligent in the case, 90% of the blame and 9% of the blame went to the Riley family. So in the end, Tesla, in that other case, only had to pay a little more than $100,000. In Fort Lauderdale tonight, Joan Murray, CBS News, Miami.